beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today in this video I am gonna show you this makeup look which I created, and I know you are able to see all the scars underneath my skin even over the makeup because I got my skin burnt a few days back while I was cooking. So I thought that I'm gonna create something which helps in hiding up these spots. I do not think that I was so successful at it, but I am still going to show you how I created this look. For that, we quickly need to dive into the video, guys. And also, if you're someone who hasn't subscribed to my channel yet, just make sure to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of Beauty Squad. It's free for you guys and it would mean everything to me. So we are quickly going to get started now.
So guys, I hope you are able to see that my both cheeks are burned and there are scars. Now I'm gonna take a peach corrector, and this is a very cheap one. I bought it from this website called Purple, and this is NY BAE brand, and this is gonna help me in correcting all the darkness and the pigmentation I have around my eyes, obviously the dark circles and the little bit of pigmentation I have around my mouth. So here I have taken this wet sponge and I am gonna dab it onto my skin so that it can cancel out all the hyperpigmentation I have around. And this is a setting powder which is from LA Girl, and I'm gonna take this buffing brush and I am gonna set this in place so that it doesn't move around and mix with foundation. And here I'll be taking 2 shades of foundation. I'm gonna leave everything in the description box below for you guys to check out the shades. Here one is the Super Stay and the second one is Fit Me, and I'm gonna apply it all over my face so that I can get a very good coverage. At least this is what I'm looking for. I have mixed 2 foundation because I do not get the exact shade of my skin tone, so I usually mix 2 colors. After that, taking the same brush, guys, I am gonna spread it all over my face. I usually do not do with the sponge. I go for the brushes because it helps me in giving more natural coverage. After that, this is a Fit Me concealer, my favorite one yet, and I'm gonna highlight my face, obviously around the mouth area, on my forehead, on my nose and under my eyes. And taking a beauty blender, guys, I'm not gonna spread it around. I just gonna buff it down into my skin. Once I get done with that, I'm gonna take a little bit of loose powder and set it all over the place so it doesn't crease out. And after that, I'm gonna take this concealer which is from LA Girl, and I am gonna prepare the base for my eyeshadow. And this is a cream concealer, guys, and make sure whenever you apply an eyeshadow you should have a base on. After that, this is a beauty glazed palette which I usually use, and it has all the beautiful neutral colors. So this is the shade which I just showed you. I'm taking it as a transition color and going beyond like little bit in the brownish shade. I'm gonna apply it in my crease, and I'm gonna take this deposition brush which is a pencil brush, and I am gonna take this another shade which is a beautiful maroon shade, and I'm gonna apply it in my crease and all over my lid, guys. And after that, I'm gonna cut crease, not like a very major one, so that I can apply a little bit of glitter here. And using this concealer brush, I am gonna apply this glitter, which not glitter exactly, this is a shade which has sparkle in it, and I'm gonna apply it all over my lid. Using the Lakme iconic kajal, I am gonna line my lower lid as well, and I have applied the liner on my upper lid, a wing eyeliner, guys. It's a lot of work, I know. And after that I'm gonna take this mascara which is Wet n Wild mascara, and I have applied the fake falsies also. And after that, I'm gonna take a little bit of highlighter. This is a palette I just got, guys. My friend gifted it to me. This is a Sephora palette on the Christmas edition, and it has beautiful highlighters. So I'm gonna take the shade which I just showed you and apply it on the highest feature of my face, like in the corner of my eyes, on the brow bone, on the cupid bow, on my chin, and also on my cheek. And for the little bit of contouring, guys, I'm not gonna go for very harsh contouring, and I took the shade I just showed you and I'm gonna apply it wherever I need it. And this is a Wet n Wild lipstick, guys. I'm gonna apply it on my lips, and this is a LA Girl setting spray. I'm gonna spray it all over my face and set my makeup up.
So guys, this was it for this video. I really hope that you find it good, and if you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and commenting about my overall look, guys. I guess my face looked pretty drastic before I put the makeup on, so I guess it has done a pretty job. I agree that the scars are not hidden. Also, I did not work like too much on them to hide, but yeah, it's there and it's showing up. Also, let me know in the comments down below if you would love to see more makeup looks. And I'm gonna see you guys quickly with another video. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up if you like it, and I hope that you know the drill. Hit on the subscribe button, and if you haven't already, make sure that you hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you do not miss any update from my channel. And I'll see you guys super soon with another amazing video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.